More on that restriction in just a moment. But tonight, there's no question we have the nation's attention, and not in a good way.
Because of it, further reopenings are on hold. Enforcement is getting tougher and the message is getting louder. We need to watch ourselves and each other much more. CBS 4's Mike Cugno is live in Doral to begin our coverage at 11. Mike?
Yeah, guys, as we see these latest COVID numbers increase, we're seeing the median age drop. The largest age group representing positive tests right now are between 25 and 34. Infectious disease specialist Dr. Eileen Marty says anything that brings people together in close proximity, whether it be social gatherings or even recent protests, are contributing to the surge in COVID-19 cases.
This spike that we're seeing now, it's not just a spike. It started more slowly, and now it's going up and up and up, and it will continue to do so, and it's all behavior driven.
During a press conference Wednesday evening, Miami-Dade County Mayor Carlos Jimenez highlighted the 18 to 34-year-old age group as the issue in his county.
Right now, we have a problem with young people that are catching this virus, and probably because they're being young people, and they're doing the things that young people do.
The mayor also identified these communities as hot spots: Allapattah, Little Havana, Brownsville, Homestead, South Dade, and Cutler Bay. Surge teams will go there with educational information and more PPEs.
And so we'll try to also get the information from the Department of Health, kind of zero in where in that zip code are we really having the problem.
While the state set a record with more than 5,500 new cases, Mayor Jimenez says there's no need to panic yet when it comes to hospital beds, and adds the Surge Hospital at the Miami Beach Convention Center isn't needed right now. However, Dr. Marty says beds aren't the only thing that should concern officials and healthcare workers should the state continue on this path.
We're going to be running out of vital equipment. We may run out of oxygen, we may run out of remdesivir, we may run out of steroids, all kinds of medications, all kinds of things that we need to help people stay alive.
So what can you do? Dr. Marty says follow the new normal guidelines. And the rules on masks in Miami-Dade County haven't changed since April 9th, even though some cities have implemented stricter policies.
There was a mask order in this town and has been for 2 months, all right? The vast majority or the majority of cities in this town are following the county rules. There are cities that want to do their own thing. They're the ones that are causing the confusion. Go talk to their leaders.
We're learning tonight that City of Miami Mayor Francis Suarez is going to ask the commission if he can impose a $250 fine for not wearing a mask. Meanwhile, in the county, you could get a second-degree misdemeanor if you're not wearing your mask in public following that new normal protocol. In Doral, Mike Cugno, CBS 4 News.